If you're looking for a compact air fryer that doesn't take up too much space but still delivers strong performance, this list is going to help you pick the perfect one. Today we're breaking down the 6 best small air fryers you can buy right now. These are great for small apartments, dorm rooms, offices, RVs, or anyone who wants healthier, faster meals without a big appliance. Before we start, remember that all the product links are in the description below if you want to check them out for more details. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer, 4-quart capacity, 4-in-1 roast. This is one of the most reliable compact air fryers on the market. Even though it's small enough to fit comfortably on almost any countertop, it's surprisingly spacious inside. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for small family servings or meals for 1 or 2 people. The Ninja brand is known for strong, consistent heating, and that really shows here. Whether you're making fries, chicken wings, roasted veggies, or reheating leftovers, it gives you even crisping with very little oil. It has 4 functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, so it can replace a lot of other appliances if you don't have much kitchen space. The basket is non-stick, dishwasher safe, and easy to clean, which is a big bonus if you cook every day. It heats up fast and cooks faster than most small ovens, making it perfect for busy people who still want real meals. If you want something compact but powerful, this is a great starting point. Number 2. COSORI Air Fryer 2.1 quart, small and mini 4-in-1. This one is ideal for people who want a truly mini air fryer. The COSORI 2.1 quart model is perfect for personal meals, snacks, or very small servings. It's tiny, lightweight, and extremely easy to store, so it works well in tight spaces like shared apartments or student dorms. Despite its small size, it heats surprisingly evenly. Meals like nuggets, fries, vegetables, chicken strips, or small pastries turn out crisp and golden without needing a lot of oil. It has 4 basic functions: air fry, bake, roast, and reheat, and the temperature control is very simple, which makes it easy for beginners. One of the nice things about this model is its energy efficiency. It preheats quickly and uses far less energy than a microwave or oven. If you just want a compact air fryer for one person or quick snacks, this COSORI is one of the best options. Number 3. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill. This one gives you far more versatility than a standard small air fryer. It's a combination of a toaster oven, an air fryer, and a grill all in one small appliance. This makes it ideal for people who want to save space but still have a device that can cook in different ways. You can toast bread, crisp up vegetables, reheat leftovers, grill chicken, bake small meals, and of course, air fry. The stainless steel design makes it look sleek and durable. It uses strong heating elements plus a fan-driven convection system that cooks fast and evenly. Because of its oven-style layout, it's especially good for foods like pizza slices, sandwiches, garlic bread, baked potatoes, and grilled items. It's larger than a mini air fryer, but still compact enough for most kitchens, especially if you want something that replaces multiple appliances. If versatility matters to you, this Cuisinart model deserves a close look. Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex 2Q Mini Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Mini is another excellent choice for anyone who wants something tiny but still powerful. Its 2-quart size is ideal for single servings, snacks, or meals for one person. The Instant Vortex line is known for strong airflow, and even this mini version produces very crispy results without using much oil at all. It has several cooking presets: air fry, roast, bake, and reheat, so it covers all the basics. The digital display is easy to use, and the square basket gives you a bit more usable space than circular mini air fryers. It heats quickly, cooks evenly, and works perfectly for quick lunches, late-night snacks, or reheating takeout. If you don't have a lot of space but still want good performance, this Instant Pot Vortex Mini is one of the most dependable small air fryers you can buy. If you're just joining in, this is our updated list of the 6 best small air fryers available right now. All the product links are in the description below if you want to check them out for more details. Number 5. Bella 4Q Slim Air Fryer fits anywhere kitchenware. This is one of the most space-saving air fryers on the list. The Bella 4Q Slim Air Fryer is specifically designed to fit into tight or narrow spaces, which makes it great for smaller kitchens or even places like office break rooms. Even though it's slim in shape, it still gives you a good 4-quart cooking capacity, which is enough for cooking meals for 1 or 2 people comfortably. The controls are simple, usually just a dial for time and temperature, and the air circulation system gives you crispy and evenly cooked food. It's perfect for everyday meals like roasted vegetables, chicken breasts, shrimp, or frozen foods. It heats up very quickly, and because of its slim profile, it doesn't feel bulky or take up unnecessary space. If you want a compact air fryer that still has real capacity, this Bella model is a great fit. And number 6, Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Portable Glass Air Fryer. This is one of the most unique designs available. The Ninja Crispi Portable Glass Air Fryer has a clear glass pot, which lets you actually see your food as it cooks. This feature makes it fun to use and helps you keep an eye on your food without stopping the cooking process. It's small, stylish, and perfect for people who want something modern and portable. It includes 4 cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, and despite its small size, it delivers very even cooking results thanks to Ninja's airflow technology. This model is great for small kitchens, RVs, offices, or anywhere space is limited. It's easy to clean, easy to store, and heats up fast. If you want something compact, visually appealing, and efficient, this Ninja Crispi is a great way to end this list. And that wraps up the 6 best small air fryers available right now. All of these models offer something different, whether you want a mini personal air fryer, a slim design for tight spaces, a multi-function toaster-style unit, or a portable glass model. Small air fryers are incredibly convenient, energy efficient, and perfect for quick meals when you don't have time to cook a full dinner. If you want more details on any of the products mentioned, all the links are available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped you find the perfect compact air fryer for your kitchen.